Foldable phones or tri-foldable phones? Ano nga ba ang nararapat sa iyo? Both of these devices are from Huawei, and this is the Huawei Mate X6, and this is the first ever tri-fold phone, which is the Huawei Mate XT. Both are really superb devices, pero ano nga ba ang dapat mong piliin out of these two? Do you want a big screen or a big screen? Tara, pag-usapan natin. So guys, wala na tayong unboxing today kasi wala ako nahiram box for both of these phones. Ang Huawei Mate X6, ang kanyang current SRP is around 114,000 pesos. And si Huawei Mate XT has a price of 200,000 pesos. Check the official link on the description box below kung saan siya pwede mabili. So both are really superb device. I really love yung feel nila sa aking kamay dahil both feel really premium. Now, in this video, pag-usapan natin yung kanyang design, yung kanyang hinges, the materials made from this phone, yung kanyang display, ang kanyang camera, and some of the performances. Tara, simulan natin. Now, let's talk about yung design nito ng dalawang phone nito. On my right, I have the Huawei Mate XT, and on my left is the Huawei Mate X6. Both are popular foldables from Huawei, and this one is a tri-fold phone. Meanwhile, this is just a ordinary foldable phone. Na makita mo yung difference ng kanilang kapal, and this is how it looks like here on top. Just to give you a quick glimpse underneath, and this is how it looked like on this side, plus the hinge. Na pag tinignan naman natin ang kanyang camera, pero naman sila octagon in shape. Except mas maliit ang pagka-chamfer dito sa X6 versus sa symmetrical octagon shape dito sa Mate XT. Ang likod din ng dalawang phone nito is parehong vegan leather finish, which I like. Maganda yung kanyang grip. And ang color sa kanyang frame ito medyo may kunting pagka-gold. This one is pure silver color. Both phones are rocking this side fingerprint scanner dito sa side, which is madali na maabutin, no? Now, quickly pag-usapan lang natin ng hinges nila. One of the good things dito sa Huawei Mate X6, gawa to sa water drop hinge, no? It has a 27% better material strength compared sa ibang mga foldables out there. And ang kanyang frames is made out of 7 series aviation grade na aluminum, which is 37% stronger compared sa ibang aluminum alloy. Yung kanyang outer screen is made out of the second gen na Kunlun glass, which is 25 times drop resistant compared sa kanyang regular na Kunlun glass. And this one, by the way, has the innovative na carbon fiber inner screen support, which gives you 65% better material strength compared sa carbon fiber. Now, pagdating naman sa Huawei Mate XT, this is the first ever phone to support the first hinge system to support inward and outward folding. So, ganito ang itsura niya. Looks kind of cool. One of the first one-of-a-kind innovation from Huawei. So this is the outside fold. Makita mo yung kanyang hinge no, sa labas. And this is the hinge inside. Now, based sa kanyang official spec sheet, this one is made out of dual layer na impact resistance na screen. And by the way, this is the first ever industry largest na ultra tough structure na glass. And by the way, this one has 30% more impact resistant against yung mga drop. So kahit tri-fold pa ito, Huawei made sure na talagang tough itong phone na ito. Kahit ang mga frames na ito, it's made out of aerospace grade na aluminum metal. And sabi ni Huawei, they have done a lot of bend tests for this one to make sure that it's really tough. Kapag naka-open ang both screen, it looks like this one. And one of the advantages sa XT is na pwede mo siyang gawing stand, yung isang screen niya. Which is definitely hindi mo magagawa sa Mate X6. Now, if you're watching videos on both of this phone, makita mo yung different ng kanilang quality, no? Ang laki ng screen na makita mo dito sa Huawei Mate XT compared dito sa X6. Though I would say na for me, it's quite good enough na si X6, but the XT gives you the better experience in terms of video watching. Makita mo, parang merong hawak na tablet, which is fit inside your pocket. Now, in terms of quality ng kanyang video, I honestly would say na it's almost the same. I could hardly say the difference between both of them. Parehong magandang kanyang display, bright na bright sila. And the viewing experience is definitely very immersive on both of this phone. Now, if you pinch to give you a better experience, now you zoom to feel the screen, ganito mag-iitsura niya. Parehong good, no? And honestly, I would say na, well, honestly, the XT gives you the better experience talaga. Now, if I try to fold this one and give me a same view dito sa kanya, na pag finold natin si Mate XT, it gives us a better view na right now. Pareho na silang dalawa, no? Now, this more or less looks the same na ang kanyang point of view. Na pag finold ko na si Huawei Mate XT, this is how it looks like. Now, this is more of a equal footing. Pareho na kanilang size. And I would tell you na parang mas maliit ang bezels dito sa Mate XT pag pinagtabi mo siya dito sa Mate X6. But both of their viewing quality looks really great. And one good thing dito sa XT is walang punch hole ka makita unlike dito sa X6. Ganito ang kanyang quality if it's folded using just the outside screen. Well, honestly, still the same. Parehong maganda ng kanyang screen. Makita natin parehong bright na bright ang kanyang colors and very punchy. The black is blacker. You'll definitely get some really good view experience dito sa kanya. And one thing na mapapansin mo dito sa kanya is when you're lying it both flat on the table, parang medyo mas angat konti si Huawei Mate XT. Probably one advantage na meron ni X6 over kay XT is that this one has zero gap pag nakasarado siya. So meaning saradong-sarado siya. Walang air gap. Now, in terms of performance, both phones are really good. It can perform the way it should be on a smartphone. Probably, ang kanyang target market might not be the same. Si Mate X6 is more for the daily average user. But the Huawei Mate XT might be more suited para sa mga more CEO type of person. Now, in day-to-day performance, I would tell you na both are really good. Now, honestly, for me, pag-usapang productivity na both of these phones are definitely very capable. Salangan mo sila ng spreadsheet, ng worksheet, or ng PowerPoint, parehong kaya nila mag-handle. Except that if you're working, you would probably want to have a bigger screen on the go. So, kung nasa loob ka na ng airplane, this is definitely the better one to use. Now, if you're on a long flight, mga 14 hours na flight, si Mate XT would definitely be the better choice for you. You can do all of your multitasking on both screen, wala kang maging problema. And both of these phones can definitely give you a good experience pagdating sa gaming. Now, one of the highlights dito sa both of this phone is yung kanyang camera. Alam naman natin, no, pagdating sa mga foldables, medyo nako-compromise konti ang camera pagdating sa ibang brands, but not kay Huawei. Now, let me quickly compare both phones pagdating sa kanyang camera performance. Now, honestly, if you're taking a stroll on outdoor, maganda kanyang quality. You will get some sharp na photos if you're just simply taking mga tall building shot. Both phones can give you definitely really good na results. Kaya pag tinignan natin sa clouds, okay. Really good and really sharp. Very detailed ang mga clouds na makikita mo dito sa kanya. And equally said din naman dito sa shot na ito, you definitely get a good feel na pag tinignan mo, pareho silang halos ang kanyang quality. Na pag signages naman on outdoors, makita mo pareho naman silang okay, pareho naman silang sharp. Na pagdating naman sa zooming capability, si Huawei Mate XT can zoom you up to 50 times zoom, samantalang si Huawei Mate X6 can zoom you up to 100 times zoom. Now, let's just simply check out some of the quality photos na nakuha natin. And by the way, let's start off with a ultra-wide shot, normal, 2 times, 5 times, 10 times zoom, say 20 times zoom, 50 times zoom, and as I promised, this one can zoom you up to 100 times zoom. Na pag plant photography naman kukunan natin, it seems to me na medyo mas maganda lang konti ang details si Mate X6, pero hindi naman talaga magpapatalo si Mate XT dahil pareho naman sila magandang color, except mas gusto ko lang ang na-capture ko dito sa Huawei Mate X6. And a quick stop dito sa pusang ito, honestly, pareho naman silang sharp ang photo na pag tinignan natin once you zoom it in. And itong painting sa wall na ito, para mas malitaw lang konti itong sa Huawei Mate XT, medyo mas yellowish konti lang dito sa Huawei Mate XT. Now, if we're going indoor food photography, dito mo makita slightly different silang dalawa na medyo mas maganda pagdating sa food. Itong si Huawei Mate X6, makita mo no, parang mas bright konti tingnan ang food na makita natin dito sa Huawei Mate X6. Equally said on this shot, parang mas litaw lang konti dito sa Huawei Mate X6, pero equally nice din naman sa Huawei Mate XT. Kaya naman na mag-capture ng some really nice snaps. And on this one, dito makita no, there's a little bit difference pagdating sa kanilang green. Medyo mas neon green konti ang datingan dito sa X6, and ito medyo mas pale konti tingnan sa Huawei Mate XT. Pero on both of this shot, honestly, halos mukhang okay naman sila pareho. Except na medyo mas litaw lang konti talaga ang color ni Huawei Mate X6 siguro sa kanyang saturation. On both of this ground shot, equally nice. Makita mo yung mga details sa kanyang mga beads. And pagdating dito sa mga earring shot na ito, honestly, I could hardly tell the difference kanilang dalawa. And pag nag-focus ka sa mga LED lights like this one, makita natin dito sa Mate X6, mukhang mas crystal finish siya compared dito sa Mate XT. Now, ginamit naman natin ang kanyang front-facing camera on both of this phone. Honestly, both shots are really good. It can capture you some really great details on your face, especially when it's outdoor. And pagdating sa indoor, pansin ko equally nice din siya. Hindi siya nagiging smudgy kahit medyo low light ang situation. And this is another indoor shot that I love. Naku, pag pinagtabi mo side by side ang kanyang video recording, there's a little bit slight advantage dito sa X6. Makita mo medyo mas litaw ka ng color. Sa XT, pansin ko medyo mas namumuti ako ng konti. And pagdating naman sa kanyang rear camera, pareho naman very stable at 4K and 60. And both phones can give you a really good video recording experience. And honestly, you can even use this as your vlogging phone. Now guys, nakita nyo na yung performance on both of these phones. Probably at the end of this video, medyo alam mo na kung ano ang nararapat sa'yo. Si Mate X6 has a really solid camera, solid din ang kanyang hinges, 0-0 ang gap niya pag sinara mo, and it has almost a creaseless design dito sa kanya. Perfect for people looking for a bigger screen, lalo for entertainment on the go. Samantala si Huawei Mate XT, maganda siya, pero probably it's not for everyone. Probably one of the hindrances kanyang price point, medyo mahal, pero experience definitely one of kind. Matibay ka ng hinges, bisa ka ng spec sheet. Yung kanyang screen is definitely larger than life. For me, this is more of para sa mga executives. So kayo guys, nakapag-decide na ba kayo? Let me know in the comments. At kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan pwede mabili both of these devices, I'll post the official link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And I'll definitely see you on my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.